Now here's a turn up for the books. Mike Browne, who walked out of school aged 15, is a student at a university. I'm at Goldsmiths University in London studying life writing and memoir for the book. I've written many books worth of content for the website and the training courses that I've done, but I've never done anything that involves my personal life so much, and having to dig around in memories. How do I keep it to track the through line, which is of course how I became a fat child, then a fat adult, then lost it and returned it, and how those things are linked to my emotions and struggles just in daily life, That's the through line. And also I want to paint the picture of how those events, some painful, some amazing, directly contribute to me being the photographer I am today, doing what I do today, and being privileged to teach so many of you lovely people out there. It's really tough trying to make sure that the memories I have are true, real memories and not things that I've made up, We all have our own interpretation of events that go on in our own minds, and I'm really having to examine things and go, is that my interpretation or is that what really happened? And also, does this piece of a story fit? Is it relevant, or is it just me waffling because I just like the story and want to tell you about something? This is tough. This is really tough. So yeah, I've enrolled on memoir and life writing at Goldsmiths University in central London. So that's a 6 a.m. start for me to get here in time for class. So it's about 5.5, 6 hours round trip to get here and get home again. But I believe the investment will be worth it, because it's all very well me waffling away just writing stuff. I want this to work. I really do. I want this to be of value to those of you who have asked about, my incredible changes in weight, which my YouTube channel so painfully documents. I want this to be of value. And if you want anything to be of value, guys, you're going to have to invest in it with your time, with your money, and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, I'm going to stop waffling. I'm going into class. Me, who walked out of school age 15 and refused to go back. Who'd have thought I'd be at... Look at this fancy institution here, Goldsmiths University. I'll catch up with you later, guys. I'll give you another update in a few weeks.